Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, very stylish overall ideas. Different collection of hairstyle, some ideas, fine hairstyle. In low maintenance, and some ideas, too short, wave and curl, wavy curly hairstyling. Trendy ideas of spiky hairstyle, both a spike with undercut. And stylish collection of messy hairstyles. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And different collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And many much more beautiful and latest collection, latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it to all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.